Okay, Sam, so remember we've got the basic ops kit, and remember that if this was an x, then this would be x by x, which makes it an x squared. Okay, and then if we had this would be an x also by an x squared, which is that long skinny x squared, the long red one. I forgot to get one out here, but just imagine this one made into a nice big skinny thing. So this would be x by x squared, which makes this x cubed. So x squared, x cubed. Okay, so let's look at what it's asking for here. We want 2x cubed, so let's get 2x cubed out on the table. 4x squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, Mortensen Math is all about building rectangles. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all of this and build it into a rectangle and count the sides, and that's how we factor, right? So let's put those two together, because that's clear they need to be together, because you can't really do them this way, right? Got to put them together like this. Okay, can you see where these might fit? I can see that they're going to fit nice on here. And we want to put them equal amounts if we can. Okay. And then these, they'll just fit nice right at the end here. We still have 2x cubed. We still have 2x cubed, right? 1, 2, 4x squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x. But now we formed it into a rectangle. And I need to pause the video because I need to get something. I got one of these because it's really important to be able to measure. So now all we got to do is count the sides. So can you see how that's x squared across? Plus it is 2x more across. Plus it is 1, 2, 3 little ones across, which, okay, hang on, gotta go back. I had to go get my little ones. I did not come prepared to the table, did I? So can you see how that is x squared plus 2x plus 3 across, and then if we do our up, it's 1, 2x up. Now, if you want to look at it from this side, you could have this as your across and this your up. I would do that because it's the smaller side, so I'm going to write the smaller side first just because it's easier. Well, actually, I'll write the longest side first and then you can see, but the longest side has to have parentheses because it includes more than one thing. So it's got x squared plus 2x plus 1, 2, 3 across, and then 2x up. And you could put parentheses there as well if you want. You could switch this around because it doesn't matter which way you multiply something, right? So 2x times x squared plus 2x plus 3. And that would be my across and that would be my up. So it doesn't matter if you're looking at it from this way or you're looking at it from this way, it's the same thing. It's 2x is your common factor. That's your over distance, and then your up is x squared plus 2x plus 3. And I wouldn't really look at it as your common factor here, although it really is your common factor, because in 2x cubed you've got 1, 2x across. In 4x squared you've got 1, 2x across. And in 6x you've got 1, 2x across. So that is your common factor. Okay, this is not your common factor. This is the factors that are not so common, well, are just not common actually. Does that make sense? So that's how you can do it with Mortensen Math. Take out the pieces, build your rectangle, and count each side, the over and the up. And that'll give you your factors. And sometimes you might have to factor this big long one again. Okay, and if I get out this piece here, it'll be clear, I believe, that we cannot factor that anymore. There's your x squared. And then we need 2x. And then we need 3 little ones. Well, no matter how I turn this, there's no way I can fit those 3 little ones into the corner. So that's factored as much as it can be factored. So we're done. Okay?